This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening both Rcbc Online Banking and PayPal in separate tabs. Enter your Rcbc account number and debit card details where PayPal expects bank linking information. Once done, confirm the name on both accounts matches exactly. PayPal requires matching names to verify ownership. Make sure your Rcbc Online Access can receive OTP or SMS codes. PayPal will trigger small test transfers or require a one-time code. This immediate setup speeds verification. You now add the Rcbc account in PayPal's Wallet section. Select Add a Bank and type the Rcbc account number and branch/routing info exactly. Once submitted, PayPal will either make 2 microdeposits or offer instant verification via debit card. Follow the path shown. If microdeposits are used, check Rcbc transaction history in 1-3 business days and note the exact sent amounts. Then return to PayPal to enter those amounts. This proves you control the Rcbc account, and you finish by entering the microdeposit amounts into PayPal or confirming the instant debit charge. Once accepted, your Rcbc account links, and you can withdraw or add funds. If verification fails, make sure the account name and numbers are exact and wait up to 3 business days for deposits to post. One key troubleshooting tip: if no deposits arrive, contact Rcbc to confirm incoming microdeposits aren't blocked. Then open a PayPal support case so they can reinitiate verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.